I am very sure most of you have dream houses. But let me ask you a question. Do you have a dream location? When I was young, my parents used to say, if you want to live in the best places in Kenya, you have to live in Karen or Runda. My friends used to say, Kileleshwa and LAVINGTON are the best places. But let me ask you, would you be able to afford any of these areas if you are not a millionaire? Absolutely, and that is why we have brought you here. This is a development in LAVINGTON and it comes with 2, 3 and 4 bedroom condos. The prices of the 2-bedroom condos are starting from 10.7 million Kenya shillings and the print area is starting from 110 square meters. A typical 3-bedroom like this one is starting from 14.2 million Kenya shillings and the print areas are starting from 130 square meters. From the main entrance, you get a beautiful foyer that gives you an access to your laundry area on my left hand side. You have some cabinetry here that has been created to act as your mini shoe rack and a space to hang your coat. On my right hand side, you have your common washroom and on my left hand side, you have your employee quarters. Coming to this side, the foyer introduces you to the rest of the unit and this is the kitchen. Done excellently. I'm loving the size of it and I like it that it comes with an island. A space for a refrigerator is on my right hand side and next to it you have your washing area where you have a window that gives you a very good view to the garden of this development. On my left hand side you have a space for your cooking where you are getting this one is standard, which is a 4-burner cooktop, a heat extractor and an oven. Those ones are coming standard. What I love most about this kitchen is the amount of cabinetry that you are getting for the storage of your cutlery, crockery and other utensils. An island is always a plus and if you must have it, then you have to buy this development. The dining space is at the center, done excellently. I'm loving that you are not getting a typical rectangle dining set. You are getting a circular one and this is excellent, especially when you have a lovely family where you can have a conversation, enjoy your food and everyone can see everyone while talking to everyone. I want you to come with me because the living room is just next to us, but before we see that, you have a console table that comes in handy. The living room has been done excellently. I like the size of it and you would easily do a 7-seater couch like this one. The TV space comes very, very beautiful. You can get a plain wall as standard or you can take an option of having this cabinetry done at a cost. This TV works and what is running right now is our YouTube channel, African Real Estate. And you should take a second and subscribe to us because we are making sure that we bring you the best homes in this town. And if you want to get more insights about homes in Kenya in general or in Africa, make sure you check out our website, africanrealestate.com. If you have lived in any city, not only Nairobi, you'll know that most town dwellers are obsessed by views. And this developer can't fail on that. He made sure that he gave you the best views of this town. LAVINGTON is very green, but from the top of this development, you can have a view of Gong Hills and any other part of this city. Each 3-bedroom unit gets a balcony that is opening from the living room, and from here you get the best views of Gong Hills and other parts depending on the unit that you take. If that is not enough, this development comes with several amenities, starting from a heated swimming pool. You have a gym, a coffee lounge, spaces to park your cars, full backup generators, and other many more amenities. For those details, you'll have to check our website or call us in the number that will be attached in the first comment. For a very long time, I have known that a person should have a meal from one plate. But when you come to these locations, you realize that you should have 3 plates per meal. One for the appetizer, the next one for the main course, and the last one for the dessert. That is interesting, and class comes with this location. So if you would want to purchase this unit or be having 3 plates per meal, you need to call us. On this wing, you have the first bedroom. On the other wing, you have the other 2 bedrooms. I'm loving this golden strip. It is adding to the aesthetics of this unit. At the entrance of the first bedroom, you have the first bathroom, and it comes with all the fixtures that you may require. A WC at the center, a vanity behind me, a shower cubicle, and a double towel holder. This is the sleeping space, done excellently, big enough to fit a 6x6 bed like this one, and you have some spaces for the side drawers. A painting is always a plus, and this is an African black woman. Heritage, culture, and the love of the motherland. You have a window here that is supposed to give you enough natural light, and the closet is on my far front, floor to ceilings and partitioned excellently. I mentioned that this development comes with a different type of condos. This is a typical 3-bedroom. After this, I'll show you a typical 2 bedrooms because I know some of you don't want this massive unit. The 2-bedroom is even better. The finishing, just on another level. Exactly what you have been looking for. Let's see this other wing. The second bathroom comes very well done. You have a vanity on this side that comes with a smart mirror, which also comes with a defroster. You have a WC, and behind me you are getting a shower cubicle, which comes with a handheld and a rain shower. This is the sleeping area. This bedroom is a bit bigger compared to the first one. You have the best bed. I'm loving the quality of the bed, though it doesn't come with the unit, but you can get this one at an extra cost. The window is big enough, and it is giving you the best view of the development's garden. Just come to this side. This is the closet, done very well. You are getting 2 drawers down there. As you can see, it is floor to ceiling. The quality is nice, and the partitionings are done very well. From here, we see the primary bedroom. From the second bedroom, the primary bedroom is the biggest, and it comes with its bathroom here, adopting a similar concept to the other bathrooms, but this one is slightly bigger. One of the biggest reasons why I would buy this development is the size of the primary bedroom. You have a space for a customized bed, and if you like a queen-size bed, be my guest. The closet is the biggest, big enough for you and your partner. Even if you have a lot of love for shopping, the spaces are enough and ample for that storage. On the sides of the bed, you have some side drawers where you can charge your phones, or maybe read your book, or even keep your Bible if you are a Christian. For the other religions, you know what to do. On this other side, you have a small sitting area where you can enjoy a nice conversation with your partner, or you can have a breakfast in bed or a conversation before you sleep. From here, you get a very good view to the city, and the light that is coming from this massive window is just excellent for a master bedroom. If you love investment or you have a small family, this is where you should start on. It is a 2-bedroom done very, very well. I like the width of it. The ceiling heights are excellent. You get these beautiful lighting systems. The TV area has been done very, very well, and the space is big enough to fit a 6-seater couch like this one. The living room of this 2-bed is opening to its balcony, and from there you get the best views of Lavington locality. From the drone shots, you can agree with me that Lavington is serene, very serene. On this other side, you have the dining area, which acts as an extension of the kitchen. The kitchen comes fully fitted with enough spaces for your storage. The dining space is a 4-seater, but if you add a seat here and a seat here, you get a 6-seater dining set. The ceiling heights are just very well done, and the golden strip, this is something unique, and we have not seen it in other developments in this locality. Let's go to the main entrance. From the main entrance, you get a solid door, imported steel door, and that is very secure. On this side, you have small cabinetry that gives you a space for your shoes, and you have another space on this side where you can hang your coats. On my left hand side, you have the common washroom, which is also shared with the first bedroom, and it comes with all the fixtures that you may require. You have a smart mirror, a vanity, a WC, a shower cubicle, and far from the shower cubicle, you have the laundry area. Yes, this is the laundry area, and it comes with a washer and dryer as standard. Next to me, you have the first bedroom. Just come inside. The first bedroom has been done excellently, and as I said, if you have a small family, this would be perfect. It is big enough to fit this kind of a bed, which is a 5x6. The window is enough to give you the best views and a morning breeze if you want that. And on my far left, you have a floor-to-ceiling closet that has been partitioned excellently. Before we see the primary bedroom, what do you think about this development? Is it nice? Does it fit all your demands? Would you want to invest in the 2 or 3 bedrooms? And especially if you are in diaspora and you would want to invest in something here in Kenya, this is one of the best investment. It will give you a constant flow of income, and the ROI is the best. The primary bedroom is on my left hand side, and you are getting the primary bathroom at the entrance, coming with all the fixtures that you have seen in the other bathrooms. The only difference is the orientation. The sleeping space of the primary bedroom is here, enough for you and your partner, and if this was a rental, at least you would expect it to give you a rental income of around 90,000 Kenya shillings. This is Lavington, not Kilimani. This side of the primary bedroom gives you an access to your balcony, and on that other side, you have the master closet or the master wardrobe. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. This is not the only unit that we have on sale on this locality, so if you would like to see more options, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. And for the people who are buying units, make sure you get a pre-purchase inspection from us, because I don't like you being conned.